Hi all, welcome to the session. I am VC from VC's Academy. In today's class, we will discuss about reproduction in humans. So, what is reproduction? What is male reproductive system, female reproductive system, and all we will discuss in the coming classes. So, for basics, what is reproduction? Reproduction is the process by which organisms create descendants. So it is the process in which organisms produce the offsprings to continue their race. Due to this special character, all living organisms differ from non-living things. In humans or in human reproduction, two kinds of cells or gametes are involved. They are sperm, the male gamete, ovum or the egg, the female gamete. So what is reproduction? Reproduction is the process by which organisms create descendants or create their young ones to continue the race, and this is the special character which makes living organisms differ from non-living things. And if you see in human reproduction, we have two kind of cells or sex cells or gametes which are involved. They are sperm, the male gamete, and ovum or the egg, the female gamete. And going into the further, in order to create an individual, the gametes meet in the female reproductive system. So where is the site of reproduction occurs, or where the site of fertilization occurs? It is the female reproductive system. For reproduction to occur, both the female and male reproductive systems are essential. So especially when it comes to sexually reproducing organisms, we require both the female and male reproductive system so that the process may continue and the reproduction may occur. Both the female and male systems are involved in producing, nourishing and transporting either the egg or sperm. So if we observe, the female reproductive system is present and the male reproductive system is present. These both produce glands or juices which are required for the producing, nourishing and transportation of egg or sperm. And they differ in shape and structure. So what I want to say here is, the sperm differ in its shape and structure, and the ovum also differ in its shape and structure. The male has reproductive organs or genitals that are both inside and outside the pelvis. So if you observe the male reproductive system, we can see that the reproductive organs or genitals which are present, they are both the sides, that is inside and outside the pelvis. The female has reproductive organs entirely within the pelvis. So the difference which we can see in male and female are that in male, some part of the reproductive system is outside the pelvis and some part is inside the pelvis. And coming to the female one, the organs are entirely present within the pelvis.